Hello everyone. Today we are going to spend a little bit of time with progressive muscle relaxation activity. Progressive muscle relaxation is an exercise that reduces stress and anxiety in your body by having you slowly tense and then relax each muscle. This exercise can provide an immediate feeling of relaxation, but it is best to practice frequently at your own time. With experience, you will become more aware of when you are experiencing tension, and you will have the necessary skills to help you relax. During this exercise, each muscle should be tensed, but not to the point of strain or hurting yourself. If you have any injuries or pain, you can skip the affected areas. We are now ready to begin the exercise. Sit back or lie down in a comfortable position. My recommendation is that you lie down. Start out with a few relaxing breaths. And as you exhale, feel the tension begin to ebb away. Now move your awareness to your hands. Clench both of your fists for up to 5 seconds. Release for 15 to 20 seconds, imagining the tension ebbing out of your hands. Now move your attention to your arms. Draw your forearms toward your shoulders, creating a bicep. Hold for 5 seconds and then release for 15 to 20 seconds. As you release, feel and imagine the tension flowing out of your biceps. Move your attention to your forehead. As you inhale, lift your eyebrows and wrinkle your forehead. Hold for up to 5 seconds and then release for 15 to 20 seconds. As you release, feel the relaxation of the muscles of your forehead. Now move your attention to your facial muscles. Try to pull all of your facial muscles towards your nose. Hold for up to 5 seconds and then release for 15 to 20 seconds. As you release, feel the relaxation of the facial muscles. Now bring your attention to your jaw. Clench your jaw tightly, feeling the tension in the surrounding muscles. Hold for up to 5 seconds and then release for 15 to 20 seconds. Relax the muscles and allow the tension to disappear. Now bring your awareness to your neck and your shoulders. Shrug your shoulders towards your ears. Feel the tension in the surrounding muscles. Once again, hold for up to 5 seconds and then release for 15 to 20 seconds. Feel the tension in the muscles ebbed away. Now let's bring our awareness to our back, our upper back, and our shoulders. Push your shoulder blades back as if you were trying to get them to touch each other. Feel the tension in the surrounding muscles. Once again, hold for up to 5 seconds and then release for 15 to 20 seconds. Feel the tension in between the shoulder blades flow away. Now bring your awareness to your upper chest. Tighten the chest muscles and hold it. Feel the tension in the upper chest muscles. Once again, hold up to 5 seconds and then release for 15 to 20 seconds. Feel the tension in the chest muscles flow away. Now bring your awareness to your stomach area. Try to draw your navel into your backbone. Feel your stomach muscles tighten. Hold for up to 5 seconds and then release for 15 to 20 seconds. Feel the tension in this area flow away. Now bring your awareness to your buttocks area. Squeeze your buttocks together. Consciously tighten the muscles in this region. Hold, 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 and now release for 15 to 20 seconds. Feel the tension in these muscles disappear. Now bring your awareness to your thigh muscles. Try not to contract your stomach muscles as you consciously tighten your upper thigh muscles. Hold, 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 and now release for 15 to 20 seconds. Feel the tension in the thigh muscles disappear. Next, we want to bring our focus to our calf muscles. Consciously tighten your calf muscles by pointing your toes. Hold, hold it, and now release for 15 to 20 seconds. Feel the tension in the calf muscle flow away. Next, we want to bring our focus to our feet. Tighten your feet by curling your toes toward the ground. Hold, hold, and hold it some more, and now release for 15 to 20 seconds. Feel the tension in the feet flow away. Next, we want to mentally scan our entire body for any residual tension. If you find a muscle group with any type of tension, I want you to tense it, and relax this area again. Let the tension flow away. Next, we want to feel a wave of relaxation from the top of our head to the tip of our toes. At this time, I will allow you to take a few minutes to just rest, relax, let the tension flow away. When you are ready, bring your awareness back to your breath and slowly open your eyes.